Hello and good morning, beautiful people. So I'm going to bring you along. It is day one of the Thickness Challenge and I'm picking up something super exciting, which you probably can tell by the title. So I'm bringing you guys along for my day today. I'm going to show you a little outfit of the day real quick, or the outfit of the morning. Is the fit. I'm wearing fit jeans and this top is from Amazon. It's really comfy and they have like bodysuit versions as well. And then I have like a brown trench coat to go with. But I did my makeup this morning because I'm doing something super exciting this morning. So we need to head out because we need to get there and I will bring you guys along for it. I'm in my new car. Azalea is with me. I just picked it up. I got it on Friday, October 31st. But I had to wait until today to pick her up. So now she's officially mine. I'm about to go home and get ready for the gym and bring you guys along with me for day one of this Thickness Challenge. So let's get going. We are home and I'm getting ready for the gym and I'm going to eat a little meal before because it is like 12:50. But first, I'm filming a little like come with me to the gym vlog, mini vlog. So I'm doing like kind of a little behind the scenes for you guys, I guess. What we're gonna eat for lunch. I honestly don't really have much prepped. Ooh, I have these frozen burritos that I actually really love. It's the Red's chicken cilantro and lime burrito. These are really good. And I obviously recommend like don't just microwave them because it's way better if you actually put them in like the oven or something. But your girl, I'm trying to be fast. So we're gonna do the microwave today. On the side, I'm gonna do tortilla chips, one of these fruit rolls. Which one should I try? I'll do the strawberry one. Some of this homemade elote like corn dip that I made earlier. Today is day one of the Thickness Challenge. So we have quads and glutes today. My like favorite quads and glutes day, and I'm so excited for this workout and just to like drive my new car to the gym for the first time. I'm just excited for the whole experience, and I wanted to wear chalk pink today. Like, I'll show you the outfit I had picked out. Of course, it's in this pile that I just took. I wear chalk pink effortless shorts and this jacket, and then the cloud blue sweats over. But your girl is on day 2 of her period and I don't trust wearing those chalk pink shorts. So I'm wearing rosewood instead. More behind the scenes. You're gonna get a lot of behind the scenes in this. My burrito exploded. I didn't care about it being pretty. I have to eat it with a fork now, so that's kind of annoying, but it's fine. Let's go eat some lunch so we can get to the gym. Michaela bento, cozy productive night routine.
Start of my evening.
You take first bite.
Long kind of an evening in my life. My evening routine.
It is gym time. I'm drinking my pre. Sitting outside the gym for a little bit. I was trying to do an update on my car because I had to connect to Wi-Fi. But then I realized I need to do a factory reset. So I have to update my car and then afterwards I have to do a factory reset. And then redo all the settings that I changed. Excited for this leg day. I know it's going to be a good one. Definitely got to hit it because it is going to get to that busy time of the day at the gym. I'm not going to bring you guys along for the whole workout because I'm filming it short form too. So go check that out because it will probably be up before this YouTube video. And then I will see you guys after the gym. Gym is done. I'm gonna need to have a little setup for this thing because that's not gonna work. I'm about to head home now. We have packages to ship. So I'm gonna ship all of my packages today. Hopefully get all of the orders ready to go. And then go out to my parents. So let's head home. Take me home. I do have several orders I still need to pack. As you can see, the list of them right here. But I want to get the ones I have completed sent out tonight. The post office is technically closed, so they're not going to get shipped until tomorrow. But then that, because I don't have time right now because I need to get to dinner. We have a few packages in here to ship out, and we are gonna go to Grandma and Grandpa's. Yeah. Good morning. I haven't done my skincare routine or anything yet, but I'm about to eat breakfast. Then we're gonna get ready, package my orders, and then we're heading out to the coffee shop and to ship them. And it's check-in day for my clients.
Just honestly less problems with my skin in general. My hair could have obviously put
Someone looking for his curry. My drink. I love it. But also like that.
Breakfast for today, we have turkey bacon, 2 eggs, and an English muffin. It's time for us to pack some orders. I just did my skincare and my eyebrows. Let's get these orders ready to drop off.
It won't be YouTube or Netflix, but anyways, those are things that I can definitely. The Model 3, for example, tends to lose about 25 to 35% of its value within the first 3.
Bring these to the post office and then head to the coffee shop. We gotta get going because I'm already running a little late. Stop of the day, we are at the post office. I'm gonna drop off these packages and then we're gonna be on our way to the coffee shop finally. Fill my seat. So I've been just hanging out with my sister for a bit. Here. Erg. Oh my gosh, this looks hilarious. It's like a super wide angle lens. Hold on. I have my coffee. It's basically like a shaken espresso, 3 shots of espresso. Lovely people, I am very much running late right now, but I wanted to update you guys. I have not been doing very good with this vlog. Sorry about that, but I am running to an apartment tour because I am moving out of my apartment. I know, it's kind of insane. I've moved so much in the last some years, but I want to move somewhere that I'm gonna love more while I'm still in the place I am, because I plan on actually moving states. Where I drink my coffee that I made for myself, I need to drink some more water. So this has electrolytes and creatine in it, so I need to drink this before. And we need to head out because I need to be there in 5 minutes. And I have to plug in my car. I've always wanted like a double fridge. I always have like the top and bottom ones. I hate them so much.
I love you on the camera. That was so funny.
Doing my vlogging. And it's nice to see the bedroom without anything in it too, because it looked so small with the bed in it. Yeah, for sure. I'm gonna have to get used to this light though.
It's a little tedious.
It's just such an awkward area. Zace. Hi, baby. You come here? Come here. Come on. We are at a park right now. Look how gorgeous. Beautiful day outside, and my car is charging. couldn't charge it at the place earlier. I could not figure it out. I don't know, guys. It's a learning process. So came to a park, my car's charging, and so I was on a client call, and then I've been walking around, and it's just so pretty. Like, are you kidding me? Good morning, beautiful people. It is currently 11:23 and we are about to head to the gym. It is Friday, full body Friday. I'm drinking, this is actually like my favorite energy drink ever. This is the Rainstorm Guava Strawberry. I've tried like a couple of the other flavors, but this one is unmatched. Literally tastes like summer in a can. We're finally in the gym. I'm still on my first workout, but we are on second set, first leg. So first workout is B stance, glute bridges, and I'm really pushing myself with these today.